you can see on my WhatsApp right now, I have 0 WhatsApp messages on this chart. But once I'm going to go towards my spreadsheet extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data, automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the details I have in this spreadsheet. So I have the details of all the policy holders in the spreadsheet, and I want to send them an automated insurance renewal reminder. Okay, so let's open our WhatsApp, and you're going to see yes, this bulk WhatsApp messaging is successful. So as you can see, an automated WhatsApp message to Rahul Sharma, Amit Verma, Neha Gupta, Sandeep Singh, Priya Patel, and to all the ones whose detail I had in my Google Sheet is automatically sent. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. And if you also want to create this amazing automation which is going to send automated insurance renewal reminders to all the policy holders, then this video can be really helpful for you. So to do this, you just have to create this amazing automation, and you can create this for free today. You just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free, and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. But this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So this is just for you. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, then you can move on further. Use this discount coupon code to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Sheets and select the same. For the event, select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection, and then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. And after that, you're going to receive this webhook URL. So just copy the webhook URL and follow me. You just have to open your Google Sheets, go on this extensions and then add-ons. Now you have to go on this get add-ons, and once this window is going to open, you have to go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. You have to install this extension over here, which is Pabbly Connect webhooks. After installing this, just refresh your spreadsheet, and after you refresh your spreadsheet, you're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect webhooks in the extensions tab. Once you get this option, go on this Pabbly Connect webhooks and then initial setup. And now it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow and then enter the trigger column. So for me, the trigger column is D, but for you, the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. Okay, so enter the webhook URL, trigger column and click on this submit. Now it is going to say setup configured successfully. With this, we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but now it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, go back towards your sheets and click on this send test. Once we click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. It has sent this first row towards our workflow. So let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same. Now first I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this, and then we're going to learn how to send to all the policy holders in a single click. So for that you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I am going to use Pabbly chat flow. So in order to send automated WhatsApp messages, I am going to use Pabbly chat flow. You can use any another application like AI Sensi, Vati, WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly supports all of them. Now you have to select the application. For the event, select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly chat flow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the token. So to get this token, you just have to open your Pabbly chat flow account, and for that you have this hyperlink. So go on this hyperlink and open your Pabbly chat flow account. It is going to redirect you to the all Pabbly apps. So from here, go on this Pabbly chat flow, click on this access now, and a window something like this will appear in front of you, which will be the dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. Make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly chat flow first, and if you haven't added this, we have a video tutorial attached right over here using which you can learn how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly chat flow. Once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left end of the side, go on this settings and then API and webhooks. After you come over here, you're going to see that over here you're going to receive this API token. So just copy the API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. Click on this save, and your Pabbly chat flow account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So we are not going to enter this detail manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, put a slash, search for the detail, and then map the detail right over here. Like I have to map the phone number, so I'm going to map it. And now it is asking me for the WhatsApp message, so let's enter the WhatsApp message. So as you can see, now I've entered the WhatsApp message, and in this WhatsApp message I am going to map the few details like the name, policy number, and the expiry date. Okay, so let's put a slash, search for the policy number, map it right over here. We have already mapped the name. Now let's map the expiry date too. So let's search for the same and map it. Now let's move on further. For the name, let's put a slash and then map the name right over here. Now for the opt-in, keep it as yes. For the incoming blocked, keep it as no. For the tags to remove, if you want to remove some, you can select it. Same goes for the tags to add. For the keys, if you don't want to add any keys, just switch on this mapping button and delete whatever is written and click on this save and send test request. But before we move on further and click on the save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. After replacing this, I am going to click on the save and send test request, and once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying message sent. So let's open our WhatsApp, and we have a new WhatsApp message for Rahul Sharma. So yes, you can see that we have successfully sent this WhatsApp message and completed this workflow. Now I don't only want to send this WhatsApp message to a single contact, but to all the policy holder details I have in this spreadsheet. Then for that you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. All the data will be sent towards your workflow, and then automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all the one policy holder which you have in this spreadsheet. Alright, not only this, if you want that whenever you add the new details, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent towards them too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, don't forget that the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.